Yo guys, Kevin Cesario from the C Group. Today I cannot wait to show you this awesome property, 402 Watson number 3. It's an awesome 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath condo right next to downtown. This property is gorgeous. It has updated wood floors, an updated fireplace, and a great kitchen for entertaining. And you're so centrally located, you can just walk downtown and enjoy everything Monterey has to offer. There is a back deck and patio, and a great deck upstairs as well, with 2 large bedrooms and a fantastic bathroom. This is something you're definitely gonna wanna check out. This place has the coolest location. We're walking distance to the beach. You can literally go down there, go for a swim, take the dog for a jaunt, and walk home. We are that close. Alvarado Street has everything you want, whether you're going to a high-end restaurant or a beer garden for the day and bouncing around to different drink spots. It has everything you might want to offer. This place is spectacular for indoor-outdoor living. So if you're interested, give me a call and I'd love to show it to you.